Welcome to my channel. Today a recipe for a delicious herring with pickled cucumber and toppings. As always at the beginning of the new viewers, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and you'll be updated with my recipes. I am presenting a list of the needed ingredients. The same list can be found in the description under the video. I also provide a link to the blog where you will find all my recipes. We need half a kilogram of herring fillets. If these are Alamacious herrings, they should be soaked in water for hours and the water should be changed at least once. I use country herring here. You don't need to soak them. These are herring in a jar, which you just need to cut into smaller pieces, then add 3 pickled cucumbers cut into small cubes, 3 hard-boiled eggs, also finely chopped, and 1 small red onion. Then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I used Kielecki Mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of cream I used with 18% fat. Add pepper to taste. Mix everything together before serving. Decorate with pieces of herring, sliced pickled cucumber, chives and red onion. And see how beautifully the herring tastes. So good. So prepare it, and I highly recommend, of course. I invite you to watch my next videos. And for today, thank you, farewell.